Hey guys, welcome once again to Real Nice Guyana here. It's Real Nice and Molly. Today we're going to be bringing you a pasta recipe. And for this here, we have our pasta there. We have some lean ground chicken. We're going to be using, this is a ragu pasta. We're going to be using some ragu sauce here. Pasta sauce. Onion, garlic, celery. We're going to be adding some peppers here, which is optional. Scallions and some parsley. So I posted a picture of this on Instagram and someone had asked for the recipe. So we have decided to do this here today. So this is how we make it, guys. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to put our pasta to boil here. You can add a bit of salt to that. So while this is boiling here, we're gonna go chop our seasonings and stuff like that. So for this pasta here, guys, you can use turkey if you like, whatever ground meat you like. You don't have to use chicken. And whatever kind of ragu sauce you like. This one that we have here, for instance, is a mushroom flavored ragu sauce, so get whichever one you like. So we've added some oil to our pan here. Now we're gonna wait for that to heat up a bit. And now we're gonna add our lean ground chicken here. You want this to get a bit of a color here so that some of the water from in there burns out a bit. Molly's adding some salt there now. So we're just gonna wait for that water to burn out that you see there, and then we're gonna continue. Okay guys, so we're now gonna add our seasonings here, and while your chicken is cooking here, you want to break it up so it gets loose with your spoon. You don't want it to be clumpy in your pasta. And this is very easy to make, guys. That's all the seasonings that's in there now. So we are cooking on a medium heat here, okay? So we're gonna add some black pepper here as well. So you're just gonna let this cook here now. Okay guys, so we've just added our seasonings here. And some people add sweet peppers, mushrooms and stuff like that to this pasta here. And if you are going to add those, now would be the time to add those. Okay. And some people like to add spinach as well, so that also now would be the time when you add the seasonings in. Alright, a bit of salt. Okay guys, so after about 3 minutes or so, this chicken doesn't need to cook for very long. After about 3 minutes or so, this will be ready here. So you're now going to add your pasta sauce here, your pasta sauce of choice. And there you go, doesn't that look good? Okay guys, so our noodles finished boiling here. So Molly's gonna strain that here now for us. So after we added our sauce here, we only cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes, and this is done here as well. Okay guys, so our noodles is drained here now, and Molly's gonna add this to our pasta sauce here. And that is looking very good, guys. Okay guys, so after you have added your pasta sauce there, you would grate some Parmesan cheese on this here. And that's it. As much as you like. So you're gonna mix in your cheese there as well. So that's it, that's our pasta there guys. That's all there is to this yummy, delicious pasta. And you don't have to add the cheese to this pasta here guys. A lot of times we don't. And it still tastes great. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for this recipe here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Also, please click the bell for notifications. Please share this video also. And please follow us on Instagram at RealizeGuyana1, Facebook at RealizeGuyana. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.